Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my first vlog here in Bali. I'm gonna try to do this daily vlog while I'm down here. I just got in today, this morning. To get here, I drove from Arkansas to Memphis to get on my flight. I flew from Memphis to Detroit, which was kind of tight all the way up there, but it was only 2 hours, so it wasn't too bad. And then from Detroit, I flew to South Korea, which is crazy. But I flew there, and it was really comfortable. It was a brand new Delta airline, and so I got to ride in that. There was a person by the window. There was empty space, and then there was me. And so for the whole 14-hour flight down there, I had plenty of room, and which was awesome. There was a whole bunch of shows I could watch, free entertainment, but the Wi-Fi didn't work for me, so I tried to work, but it was more difficult than I thought it was going to be. So I took that 14-hour flight to South Korea, and then from there, I had one more flight, which was 7 hours, to Bali here. I was super tired, and I lucked out. So there was 2 seats, a hall, 4 seats, a hall, and then 2 seats. I got the 4 seats in the middle to myself for the whole 7 hours down here. I lifted up all the armrests, and I was able to lay flat on the plane the whole way here. Way better than having to sit there. I was really tired anyway, and so I got all my sleep in during that flight, and then we landed here. I went through customs, did all that stuff, did a little currency exchange, and then I got a ride all the way to our Airbnb here, as you can see. We got a pool. I'll do a formal walkthrough here pretty soon. So, all right, everyone. There's Arlton.
Hey guys.
There's the guy that, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here. We're about to go rent a scooter for me. Arlton's got his. He's been here for a couple weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks now.
3 weeks now. Yeah, I'm about to, all right, get ran over, I guess. The audio's on. I have no idea what I'm doing right now.
45.
Yeah, I'll do the 45.
Oh, 45.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I do like one of the black ones, maybe?
This one right here?
Yeah, sure. That's good. Yeah.
It's your new whip, son.
Yeah, I got it.
Until 10, yeah?
Ooh. Thank you.
Okay, action.
Maybe here goes nothing. Left side of the road. Good. It gets up and goes. It just like, boom. I was like, all right.
Yeah, dude, scooters are like that.
Yeah.
Now for your next challenge.
extremely hot out here. I'm like sweating and everything. I just, ugh. So riding the scooter was like more dangerous than I thought it was going to be, but it was still a lot of fun to kind of drive around. It almost feels like you're just breaking all the rules because there's no rules here anyway, except for stop at a stoplight. That seems like to be like the only rule when driving your scooter. So it got dangerous at times, but it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed everything we did so far. We went to this like beach club thing for a little while, and I don't even know. It feels like I've been here for a couple days already, but it's only just the first day. I landed in Bali this morning at 2 o'clock, and here it is like almost 4 o'clock now. And I've worked for the day. I've went and did all this other stuff, and it's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and like I'm not exhausted yet because I got so much sleep on the plane coming down here, but I am very hot. I'm used to being in an air conditioner all the time, so this is a little different for me. I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with my hair because I got some crazy helmet hair every time I get off the bike, and so I gotta figure something out with that. Maybe some kind of clip or something like that, because especially by the beach it's super windy. So maybe I can figure something out like that. But I got me some sunglasses. Let me grab those. That's what they look like. I think they're pretty cool, so I'm excited to have these. I was driving on the scooter and like dust and bugs and everything kept getting in my eyes. We were going like 50 miles an hour and sometimes even faster, depending on where we were. And so these were much needed. Dealing with the currency here is a little different. Trying to like remember everything. So like $100 US equals like 1,300,000 rupees or rupiahs or something. So gotta find an ATM that actually works and get a little bit more cash. There's a couple places that take cards, so that's pretty good that I can just go and do that. But yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who's watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. I have more videos I'm going to be doing the whole trip I'm down here. I'm going to be trying to do it every single day. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.